Google. Then all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
I'm going to share my screen. So look at the screen and check your spellings. Now here's the screen. Now the spelling of million is M-I-L-L-I-O-N. The spelling of million is M-I-L-L-I-O-N. Okay. Million means its value is equals to the 10 to the power 6. Its value is equals to the 10 to the power 6. Okay. Now second word is billion. Spelling is B-I-L-L-I-O-N, billion. And its value is equals to the 10 to the power 9. 10 to the power 9. Next one is trillion, T-R-I-L-L-I-O-N, trillion, and its value is 10 to the power 12.
मैम मेरे सारे सही.
Quadrillion, Q-U-A-D-R-I-L-L-I-O-N, quadrillion, and its value is 10 to the power 15. Now, as you observe that the power is raising by 3. When you add 3 to 6, it gives you 10 to the power 9. When you add 3 to 9, it gives you 12. When you add 3 to 12, it gives you 15. Okay. And the name is like this, ki bi, tri, quad. Quad means 4, tri means 3, bi means 2. Okay. So this order is written in ascending order. It means million is the smallest among these 4 values. Then after million, billion will be the greater. And after billion, it comes trillion. And after trillion, it becomes quadrillion. Now the last one is very new word, and it is Google. Google is what? The value of Google is equals to the 10 to the power 100. 10 to the power 100. It's a very, very large number. The number Google is a 1 with 100 zeros, and it's a very highest, it's a very largest number, highest number in the world. A Google is more than all the hairs in the world. It's more than all the grass blades and all the grains of sand. It's even more than the number of atoms in the universe. So it's a very, very gigantic number. Okay. So if anybody asks you which is the largest number, so you can say that Google, which is having the value 10 to the power 100. Okay. I hope it is interesting, and it's got its name from a 9-year-old boy, and the name of this boy is Einstein Lesenberg. Okay. So I hope it is interesting for you all.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now let's come to the topic, whole number. We were doing the last question of exercise 2.2. So let's come to that question. Are you doing daily practice of mathematics or not? Response, children, are you doing daily practice of mathematics questions or not? Okay, fine, Anmol. If one is wrong, there's no issue. Kanishka, very nice. Okay. So now let's come to the question number 16. Please, children, join the class on time. Is the screen proper? Children, you can zoom out your screen. You can pin my screen and then zoom out. Okay? So it will not be changed if anybody speaks. So please pin and then zoom out. So in question number 16, you have to replace this star by the correct digit. Okay? You have to remove this star by the correct digit. Now we have to, how can we, let's see, how can we find out the value, the correct value of this star? Okay, so let's do the first part. Now here is 6. Here 6 in the top, and we have to find the value of star, and the result is 9. So by which value we can subtract it to get 9?
Ma'am, 7.
By which number we have to subtract 6 to get 9? How can you find out? Quickly response. Okay. From which number you have to subtract 9 to get 7? To get, for this you have to what you have to do, you have to subtract 9 from 16. Look children, you cannot subtract 9 from 6 because 6 is a smaller number. Okay, so if 6 is a smaller number, then what you have to do, you have to carry on, borrow 1 number or 10 number. What you can say, you have to carry 10 number. I'm showing you how to do this question. Let's see in our chapter number 2, whole number. Question number 16, first part, 3, 5, 6. Then 6, and you have to find out the number over here. I'm making the box, so it's easy to identify where we have to fill the number. And this is 9. Again, you have to write the number over here. Okay? So these 3 values, you have to write it over here. Now, you want the result 9, but there is no number. So by which number you have to subtract 9 to get, by which number you have to subtract, you have to take the number here to get 9. 9 को किसमें से subtract करोगे कि you will get the result 9?
15.
This is a single digit, but it is a smaller than 9. It means we have to take carry. ठीक है? Carry में how much we have to take? Always we have to take 1. So it becomes how much? 16. It becomes 16. Now subtract 9 from 16. Subtract 9 from 16. Then it gives you how much? 7. So it means you have to write over here 7. Now, when you give one number to 6, so how much is left over here? 4. Now, you cannot subtract 6 from 4 because 4 is smaller than 6. So then again, you have to take 1 carry. So it becomes 2 and it becomes 14. Okay? When you subtract 6 from 14, then it gives you how much? 8. So this star is filled by 8 digit. Okay? Now, on the left hand side, it is only 2 left. There is 2 left only. Okay? And you want the result? What? 0. So which number you have to take in over here to get 0?
Ma'am, 2.
If you write 2, you will get the result 0. 2 minus 2, 0. So in this way, you can find out the correct digit in place of star. I hope it is clear. If it is clear, so please show the thumb. Please, children, response. If it is clear, so please show the thumb. If there is any problem, so please raise your hand. So I can help you to understand this question. If there is no problem, so please show the thumb. Otherwise, raise your hand. What about rest of all? What about rest of all? Only 3 students has raising their hands and there are 22 participants. What about rest of all? Is it not clear? What happened with you all? Please mention the reason. Only Vaibhav and Tejas and one more child is raising the hand, showing the thumb. And rest of all, what about rest of all? It means you are not attentive in the classroom. Tanishka, not better today. Maybe on Monday we will do the quiz. Okay? I'm asking to everybody, children, why you are not responding in the chat box? Are you not there on the back side of the camera? Are you not on the back side of the camera? Please respond. Everybody show the thumb or raise your hand if there is any problem or no problem. Whatever it is, please show your responses. Please. I'm not teaching the screen. I'm teaching you. I'm here for you, all of you, my dear children. Please write the chat or you can directly show the thumb. You can use the help of the emojis or these symbols. You can show me, ma'am, yes, I get understood, or ma'am, I am having a problem. Please don't sit like a statue. I'm not able to see your faces, but still you can show your responses on the chat box. Okay?
Ma'am, second answer is 4,457.
How to solve this one? Very good. Let's come to the second part. The question is 650. Then there is a star. Then again, there's a star. You have 0, star. Then you have to write 5. In result, you are having 4. Then you have to put the value 5 and 7. Now, in these boxes, you have to fill the correct digit. Okay? So let's see how can we put it the correct digit. Now, in the result, there is 7. The result is 7. Okay? So by which number you have to subtract 5 to get 7?
12.
When you subtract 5 to get 7, there is a 5. Then what do you have to do? Which number you subtract?
12.
From 12. So, but you can take only a single digit over here. You have to take only single digit. So you have to write only 2, not 12. So when it becomes 12, when you take one carry from 5. When you take one carry from 5, then it becomes 4 and it becomes 10. When it again you have to carry from 10 to 2, so it becomes 12 and it becomes 9. I hope it is clear. That's why we get 7 here. Now, in the next, in the tens place, this is a tens place value digit now. So again, which number now you have to subtract from 9 to get 5? Which number
4.
you need to subtract from 9 to
4.
get 5? 4. When you subtract 4 from 9, then you get 5. So this, again, you fill the second box. Now let's come to the 100 place. This is 4 and this is 0. When you subtract 0 from 4, then it comes what?
4.
Very nice, Kiona, Bhavya, everybody, those who are replying. Again, there is 6 and you have to fill this blank, then get the 4. So by which number you have to subtract from 6 to get 4? Very good, Ram. It's 2. Very nice. So in this way, you can fill all the correct digit in these boxes. I hope it is clear to everybody. How can you fill these boxes? How can you remove these stars with the correct digit? Third one, do yourself. It is for the homework. Okay, it is for the homework. Now let's come to the last exercise. It is related to the patterns in whole numbers. So let's see. What is this? How can we follow the patterns? Now screen is visible properly.
Yes, ma'am.
No, why you need the recording, beta? Now let's come to the pattern in whole numbers. Okay. So pattern in whole numbers. Just wait a moment. Pattern in whole numbers is numbers are not only interesting, they help us in simplifying some calculations. Take the attendance, children. The screen is not proper. Is
No,
the
ma'am. Screen proper.
pattern in numbers are not only interesting, they help us in simplifying some calculations. It means patterns are interesting as well as it helps us to simplify the larger numbers. So let's see to it. Let us observe the following patterns. 5, 3, 2, 8 plus 9. We need to add 9 with this number. So what we have to do? I don't know why it's not working. Pen is not working. Okay, so we need to add 9 with 5, 3, 2, 8. So how can we add it? In place of 9, can you write 10 minus 1? When you subtract 1 from 10, then you will get a 9. So in place of 9, you can write 10 minus 1. Now you have to take the parenthesis of 5, 3, 2, 8 with 1. So make the pair of 5, 3, 2, 8. First we have to add 5, 3, 2, 8 with 10. So it gives you 5, 3, 3, 8. And then subtract 1, then it gives you 5, 3, 3, 7. Similarly, if you want to add 5, 3, 2, 8 with 99, so in place of 99, you can write 100 minus 1. Okay, can you write in place of 99, 100 minus 1? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
When you in place of 99, you can write 100 minus 1. So again, first of all, you have to add 5328 with 100. So it gives you 5428 and then subtract 1. Then it gives you 5427. In the next step, there is 999. So in place of 999, you can write 1000 minus 1. When you subtract 1 from 1000, it gives you 999. So again, you have to add 5328 with 1000 and then subtract 1. So it gives you 6327. Now, observe these results. In these results, 5337. In the next step, it is 5427. And the next step, it is 6327. It means in ones place, this is the one place, this is the tens place, this is 100 place, and this is 1000 place. Fine. So what we observe, key in ones place, the number is remains same. In place of tens, the number is decreasing, and in place of 100, again there is no relation between 3, 4. Then it becomes again 4. Okay? There is no relation between all these results. Only you can solve it in a simpler manner. Okay, children. If you want to add the larger number with 9, 99, or 999, or 4 times 9, then you have to follow this pattern. Only it gives you how can you add the numbers into simpler manner. Fine. Now let's come to the question number 2. 5328 minus 9.
And number one, we have to write in copy.
No need to write in copy, only just for understanding. Okay. Now let's come to the second part. 5328 minus 9. If you want to subtract 9 from 5328, so again you have to break this 9 number into 2 parts. So how can you write it down? 10 minus 1. Okay. Don't be confused. It is not 10 plus 1. Actually, when you write 9 as 10 minus 1, it is like this: 5328. There is a minus sign, to put the minus sign. In place of 9, you can write 10 minus 1. Is it clear or not? In place of 9,
Yes.
can you write 10 minus 1? Now there is a minus sign outside of the bracket. There is a minus sign outside of the bracket. So whenever the minus sign outside of the bracket, you have to change the sign of the numbers written in the bracket. So in the next step, you can write 5, 3, 2, 8. 10 is positive now. 10 is positive. So because of this minus, 10 becomes negative. Change the opposite sign. And 1 is negative. So because of this minus, minus converts into plus. Okay. That's why it is written over here 5, 3, 2, 8 minus 10 plus 1. In this here, it skipped this step. That's why it is directly written this step. Okay. So in this way, you will get this one step. After that, what you have to do? You have to subtract 10 from 5328. Then it gives you 5,318, and then add 1. Then you will get the result. Similarly, in case of 99, how can you write 99? 100 minus 1. How can you write? 5328 minus 100 minus 1. Okay. Then in the next step, what you will do? Because of this minus sign, 100 becomes negative and 1 becomes positive. Now in the next step, you have to subtract 100 from this number. So it becomes 5228 and then add 1. So it gives you 5329. 5229. I hope it is clear. So in this manner, you can break the given 99 into 2 parts and then you can solve it. Similarly, you can do with multiplication also. Now let's come to the fourth one. 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Do you know? If you add 3 plus 1, it gives you 4. And 4, in place of 4, can you write 2 into 2? In place of 4,
Yes,
can you 4 again? 1 plus 3 plus 5 is how much? 9. When you add 1 with 5, it gives you 9. And 9 is what? 9 is a square of 3. 9 is a square of 3. 3 square means what? You have to multiply 3 2 times. 3 into 3, that is 9. Now, when you add one more odd number, 1 plus 3 plus 7, it gives you 16. When you add all these numbers, it gives you 16. And 16 is the square of 4. So you can see that you are adding only odd numbers, not even numbers. Is there any even numbers? No, there is only odd numbers. First odd number is 1 and the next odd number is 3. And after 3, there's a next odd number is 5. And after 5, the next odd number is 7. So you are going to add only odd numbers. Can you tell me the next step? What we have to write in the next step? 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7. These numbers, you have to write it over here. And in the next step, which next odd number you need to add?
9.
9. Okay. When you add these numbers, then how much you will get? 9 plus 1, 10. 10 plus 3, how much? 13. 13 plus 5 equals to how much?
13.
18. 18 plus 7?
25.
Very nice. And in place of 25, can you write 5 square? 5 into 5.
Yes, ma'am.
Now there is a pattern. Look, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square. Okay? So it means that when you add the odd numbers, whatever the sum it is the square of the next number. Okay? So there is a series. 1 square, 2 square, 3 square, 4 square, 5 square, like this. Now, let's come to the next one. 1 into 8 plus 1. So when you multiply 1 by 8, it gives you 8. 8 plus 1, that is 9. When you add two number with 1, it becomes 12. 12 into 8 plus 2, that is 98. You just observe the pattern. Here the number is increasing 1, 2, 3, 4. And in this place, 8 remains same. But in the left hand side, you need to multiply, you have to add the tens, 100 and 1000. Okay. So 1, this is 12, then 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the pattern. So can you tell me which is the next step? There is 1, then 1, 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4.
9, 8, 7, 6, 5.
The next step, you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then 8 is remain same. There is no changes.
8 plus 5.
you have to write 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, no need to solve it. You just see a pattern and then you can write the
9,
answer.
8, 7, 5.
Yes, Adyan, just wait a minute. 9, then it becomes 9. Reduce, the second number is reducing. Again, in the third step, next number is reducing. And in the next step, again, it is reducing. So what would be the next number? 9, 8, 7, 6. And then you have to 5.
5.
By following the pattern, you can find the solution of this statement. Yes, Adyan, just wait a minute. I'm keeping unmute you. Yes, Adyan, you can unmute yourself, beta.
Ma'am, why we have write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5?
There's no actually main logic. There is a pattern. Pattern में क्या होता है कि you have to follow something which is written or given to you, and by following that pattern, you will get the answer of the next step. Okay, Adya?
Okay, ma'am.
Observe. It increases your observation skills. It increases your thinking skill, and it increases your identification skill. Okay? So it increases your these skills. How can you concentrate on a question? So these all pattern-based questions. You have to only observe the numbers, how it can given, in which order it is given. You have to identify them. These, and then you can write the next step. Okay, no need to do the calculation. Calculation की जरूरत patterns में नहीं पड़ती है. ठीक है? You just observe it, what it is given to you, in which manner, and then you can find out the result. Okay. Now let's come to the next one. Arrangement of numbers in elementary shapes. Some numbers can be arranged in elementary shape made up of dots. Let one dot represent one number. Look, children, here we are going to see the arrangement of dots. Okay. So how can we arrange these dots to get the pattern? So you can see here, there is only, and one dot represent one number. One dot represent how many number? Please write it in the chat box. One dot represent how many number? 1. Very nice. Very nice story. Okay. So Anmol and other children are replying continuously at them. Now there is only one dot. It means it is a one number. How many dots are here? 3. So there is 3 number. Now again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 dots are here. It means 6 number. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Total 10 number is there. It means what? It means these figures show the arrangement of the numbers 1, 3, 6, and 10. It means this figure shows the arrangement of only these numbers 1, 3, 6, and 10 by triangles. Now, when you arrange these dots, what shape you have formed? Which shape you have seen? Which shape you have formed? Triangle. Triangle shape. These points, what you will get? You will get triangle. By joining these dots, you can get a triangular shape. Okay. So these are the triangular number. That's why it forms triangle. So it's called triangular numbers. The next triangular number is what? 10 plus 5, that is 15. If you want to make a bigger one, then first of all, you have to put the 1 dot, then you have to put 2 dots, then you have to put 3 dots like this. Then you have to put 4 dots. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you, ये तो यहाँ तक हुई क्या 10 dots का? If you want to increase this size, so you have to put more dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Each dot comes in between the upper 1, 2 dots. The dot comes in the next line is in between of the other 2 dots of the above one. Okay. So if you join all these dots, you will get a triangle again. So the next triangular number is 15. 1, 3, 6, 10, and 15. Fine. So in this way, you can find out the triangular numbers after 15 and then so on. I hope it is clear. How can we find out the triangular numbers? Now let's come to the second example. Look at the following figures made up of dots. There's a single dot, 1, 4 dots. So when you join these dots, what shape you formed? Which shape is
Square.
again when you join all these dots? Again you get the square. And how many dots are here? 9. Then when you join all these dots of the boundary, then you will get a square again, and the total number of dots is 16. Okay? So it means when you are increasing the number of dots, you will get the bigger one square. So these figures show the arrangement of numbers 1, 4, 9, and 16. The numbers 1, 4, 9, 6 are called the square numbers. Okay? These are called the square number. Can you write the next two square number? Can you write the next two square numbers? Dekho, listen. In the top, there are only 2 dots, here 3 dots, and here 4 dots. For getting next bigger square, how many dots you have to put?
Ma'am, 20.
You have to put 5 dots. Okay. 5 dots on the horizontal line, it means 5 dots you have to put on the vertical side also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again, you have to put 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it means what? Total, how many dots would be there? Can you count them? 5, 5.
5 4 is 20. Ma'am, 36.
5. And then how many lines are there? 5 की कितनी lines बनी? 5. I think 25 is the next square number. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So in this way we get how many lines? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. ठीक है? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 into 25. ठीक है? So in this way you get the square number of